I was a virologist in graduate school, and I thought I was going to work on and cure AIDS. Like, that was my thing. I was a very naive and precocious 20-year-old, 21-year-old. My name is G.W. Gant Luxton. I am an associate professional researcher at the University of California, Davis. Our research that got funded by the Distinguished Investigator Award has been focused primarily on trying to understand how the nucleus, which is the largest organelle in your cell, controls the mechanical properties of the rest of the cell, as well as tissues built up from those cells. One of the first impactful things that will come from this research is tool development. So we've generated a whole panel of C. elegans strains that allow us to measure the mechanical properties of cells in different tissues in living organisms. And every time we've talked about this research that's been funded by the Allen Award, people have been, clamoring for these strains, and they're interested in testing out their hypotheses using these novel biophysical tools. When I started my lab at the University of Minnesota, I was studying how the nucleus gets moved to the back of a migrating cell. And I always wanted to understand why the nucleus got moved to the back. But I felt like I wasn't able to ask those bigger picture questions because it would have been too ambitious or too risky, right? And so with this particular funding mechanism, I was able to, along with my work husband, Dan Starr, kind of shoot for the stars. And we've been able to really, I think, make some significant progress on the problem.